Imagine skipping traffic by simply flying over it. Flying cars, once confined to science fiction and our wildest dreams, are now becoming a reality. And they're coming faster than you might think. When we talk about flying cars today, we're actually talking about electric, vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or EV. Think of them as a cross between a car and a helicopter, promising to revolutionize how we move through cities and beyond. This isn't just about cool technology, it's about transforming our daily lives. The race to dominate the flying car market is already heating up. Companies like Aircar have successfully completed intercity test flights, while Aska A5 is taking pre-orders for their flying SUV. Aleph Aeronautics is developing the first true street-legal flying car, and Japan's SkyDrive is aiming to launch air taxi services by 2025. The US has started pilot programs in several cities, and China is actively developing what they call a low-altitude economy. But let's be real, there are some serious hurdles to overcome. First, there's the complex web of regulations. How do you manage thousands of flying vehicles in city airspace? Safety standards need to be ironclad. Then there are the technical challenges. Current batteries limit flight range, and noise levels need to be addressed. Emergency handling systems must be foolproof. And let's talk about cost. Early models are expected to price between $800,000 and $1 million. Plus, we'll need entirely new infrastructure, vertiports, charging stations, and advanced air traffic management systems. Despite these challenges, the opportunities are incredible. Imagine air taxis whisking you over gridlocked streets in minutes instead of hours. Emergency responders could reach accidents faster than ever. Delivery services could become nearly instant. And as prices eventually drop, personal ownership could become as common as cars are today. Flying cars are not just about transportation. They're about redefining how cities move and how we live. They represent a fundamental shift in urban mobility, promising to unlock the third dimension of travel. Would you ride one of these in the next 10 years? Let me know in the comments.